భారతదేశ ప్రజలమైన మేము భారతదేశాన్ని సర్వసత్తాక సామ్యవాద లౌకిక ప్రజాస్వామ్య గణతంత్ర రాజ్యంగా నిర్మించుకోవడానికి ఈ పౌరులందరికీ సాంఘిక ఆర్థిక రాజకీయ న్యాయాన్ని ఆలోచన భావ ప్రకటన విశ్వాసం ధర్మం ఆరాధనలో స్వాతంత్రాన్ని అంతస్తుల్లోనూ అవకాశాల్లోనూ సమానత్వాన్ని చేకూర్చుటకు వారందరిలో వ్యక్తి గౌరవాన్ని జాతీయ సమైక్యతను సంరక్షిస్తూ సౌభ్రాతృత్వాన్ని పెంపొందించడానికి
1949
నవంబర్ 26న మన రాజ్యాంగ పరిషత్తులో ఎంపిక చేసుకొని శాసనంగా రూపొందించుకున్న ఈ రాజ్యాంగాన్ని మాకు మేమే ఇచ్చుకున్నాం.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aditya. I am studying 9th class. నా పేరు జీ కమలా. నేను 10th తెలుగు మీడియం చదువుతున్నాను. గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులు గారికి మరియు ఉపాధ్యాయులు గారికి నా నమస్కారాలు. నా తోటి విద్యార్థులకి భారత రాజ్యాంగ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు భారత రాజ్యాంగ దినోత్సవం అంటే ఈరోజు రాజ్యాంగం ఆమోదింపబడిన రోజు. అందుకే మనమంతా దీన్ని ఓ వేడుకలా నిర్వహించుకుంటాం.
Good morning to everyone, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I would like to tell about a few words of importance of Indian Constitution Day. Dear Dr. Ambedkar is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution.
Asked me from 8th standard. Today I want to speak few words about the Indian Constitution. Each state has their own constitution of their own. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was father of Indian Constitution. The Constitution had begun many decades before 26 January 1950. Constitution, the British Parliament tested norms, the administrative notes of the Government of India in 19...
Good morning to all respected teachers and my dear co-students. My name is Vaibhavita. I am studying 10th English medium. Now I would like to say some important about Constitution Day.
నేను 10th క్లాస్ తెలుగు మీడియం చదువుతున్నాను. భారత రాజ్యాంగ పరిషత్తుని భారత రాజ్యాంగ కమిటీ రూపొందించింది. 1949 నవంబర్ 26న ఆమోదించారు. ఈ జనవరి 26 1950లో అమలులోకి వచ్చింది.
Good morning to my respected teachers and to my co-students. I am Navyasri from 10th English medium. In the occasion of Constitution Day, I would like to tell few words about our Constitution and the role of Ambedkar in framing the Constitution. Our Constitution was first started framing on 31st December 1947. It was finally adopted by the CA on 26th November 1949 and it came to force on 26th January 1950. In the gap between 26th November and 1949, 26th January and 1950, some critics in Constituent Assembly were criticized Ambedkar in making of the Constitution. A few critics like Maulana Hazrat Mohani and M.S. Seth. Maulana Hazrat Mohani criticized Ambedkar that the Constitution is the copy of 1935 Act. The 1935 Act used us to conduct elections, and M.S. Seth criticized Dr.
Good morning, one and all respected teachers my dear friends. Today I am telling few words about Constitution of India. The National Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November in every year to commemorate the introduction of our Constitution. The final draft of the Indian Constitution, which is the longest one, was adopted on 26th November in 1949. Our respected teachers and my co-students, I would like to speak about Indian Constitution. Constitution Day is celebrated on every year in 26th November, honor and adaptation of Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is also known as the National Law of Day and Samvidhan Divas. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, also known as the father of our nation, father of our Constitution. Good morning to all respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about Constitution Day. The law of each country is called the Constitution of our country.
Teachers and my dear co-students, today I would like to share some few words about our Indian Constitution. Our Indian Constitution is every year celebrated on 26th November to honor the adaptation of the Constitution of India. It is also called the Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day. This day is also celebrated to pay tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Garu, who was the first Law Minister of India. He was also known as the father of the Indian Constitution. This day is also celebrated in schools and colleges to spread the awareness and about importance of the Constitution in our daily lives. Our Constitution is the foundation of the democracy. It is the one of the biggest constitution in the world because the creator of the constitution took the essence from the Britain, America and Japanese constitution. The constitution declares to be secularism, democratic republic, secular socialist. We know our constitution gives six fundamental rights. They are right to freedom, right to equality, right to against exploitation, right to education, right to constitutional remedies. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning, my dear teachers and my dear friends. Constitution Day is celebrated on 26th November of every year. It is also known as the National Law Day. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India. Constitution of India came into the effect from 26 January 1950. D.R. Ambedkar was known as the father of Indian Constituent. D.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee, wrote Constitution of India. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Respected headmisters, teachers and students, a warm good morning to all. Today I am very excited to get a chance to speak a few words about importance of Constitutional Day. We celebrate Constitutional Day in every year on 26th November. This day is also called as Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was regarded as the father of Indian Constitution.
Good morning to all of you respected teachers, elders and my dear friends. Today I am telling a few words about the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and it came to effect on 26 January 1950 with a democratic government system. India got independence from British Raj on 15 August 1947 to follow